Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. At Ultimate Diesel Tuning, we focus on performance and improving the all-round reliability of your vehicle. And I want to talk about one vehicle in particular, and it's a Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, as well as that, the MQ and MR Tritons that do have problems with the intercooler hoses getting cracks in them. What that does have with the vehicle in turn is gets DPF issues and a loss of power. To resolve this, whenever we're tuning the vehicles, we replace these hoses to eliminate any concerns down the track. So the signs and symptoms you'll see in your vehicle, and as I refer to the MQ and MR Triton, as well as the Pajero Sport, is the vehicle will feel really sluggish, it'll feel like it's lost power, and on top of that, when it does get a lot worse, the DPF will start to fill up and not do a regen properly. This happens, there's a good chance your intercooler hose has got a crack in it, and you're in trouble and you need to replace it. If you've got a Pajero Sport or MQ MR Triton, give us a call and speak to our diesel experts, and we'll ensure that we can eliminate this concern for you, as well as that, improve your all-round drivability with extra torque and power from a custom dyno tune.